Brian Whitaker with ID Additives here. If you haven't already done so, please go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. One of our goals for 2020 is to hit 1,000 subscribers. That way I can live stream events and show you all the various applications in which you can use our EcoPro 360 chemical alongside of our cart. Today I have a little sneak peek for everybody. If you want to follow me, we're quite excited about the prototype that just got into our shop. Our current EcoPro cart has a 13.5 gallon per minute pump on it. Our new cart, which we're going to call the EcoPro XL, has a 28 gallon per minute pump on it. This is going to be for those of you that have some very large molds, whether that's injection or blow molding. Specifically, if you're an extrusion, this can be used for your chill rolls. That way your maintenance team doesn't have to spend an hour or however long it takes to take that chill roll off, send it off for repair. Two of the main differences that you'll notice, well, one is the size, excuse me. But half-inch lines on the standard cart, inch lines on the XL. And then I just wanted to point out the filter size. That is our standard, and you can see the size difference for the XL. For more information, please check out the description below. Contact us if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. And again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much.